When you buy something from an e-commerce store, you feel happy and excited, but then the unthinkable happens. Your shipment is delayed. How a company responds to customers when this happens can make the difference between customer loyalty and a lost customer never to return. But don't worry, approaching shipping delays in the right way can actually improve customer loyalty. And here's a secret, that's a good thing. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a first-class shipping delay email that effectively communicates delays in a way that keeps your customers happy. I'm Greg Zackwitz, an e-commerce marketing expert, and believe it or not, I've been involved in email marketing for more than 15 years. Here at Omnisend, I help e-commerce businesses learn how to improve their email program and increase their sales. And I want to do the same for you. Before we dive in, go ahead and click that like and subscribe button so you never miss awesome videos just like this one. All right, let's not delay any longer. See what I did there? The fact is, some percentage of your shipments will be delayed. Now, when this happens, it's important that you manage customer expectations and make them feel valued. When it comes to creating effective shipping delay emails, there are three main pillars to focus on. These are apologize and inform, make it right, and follow up. Let's look at each of these. The first step is to apologize, show empathy, and set expectations. Today's consumers are accustomed to buying from stores like Amazon and Walmart, and they bring those giant expectations with them when they shop with smaller stores, possibly yours. If you know you're experiencing delays before the purchase, be sure to communicate that on your website. If the delay happens after the purchase is made, send them an email and/or SMS message informing them of the delay and apologize. Now, be sure to explain the cause of the delay and give them an updated time frame for delivery. If one is available, provide a link to the original tracking number. And in each message, be sure to clearly include your customer service contact information. Overall, it's important to acknowledge the delay and appear empathetic and supportive of the disappointing news your customers are receiving. Before we tackle our second pillar of an effective delay email, I want to let you know about a special offer from Omnisend just for our viewers. You probably already know that Omnisend offers an amazing free plan, but for those that may need more, right now Omnisend is offering a 10% discount on all our premium plans. All you have to do is go to omnisend.com and use the code found on YouTube at checkout. So scoop up the offer, save some cash, and utilize all the great features inside of Omnisend, including pre-built automation workflows, pre-made email and list growth pop-up templates, drag and drop email builder, and a whole lot more. You can get the 10% deal right now. Just follow the link in the description and let's start boosting those sales together. The second step in crafting an effective shipping delay email is to make it right. Regardless of the reason, there is no way to avoid the fact that every shipping delay has a disappointing customer behind it. If you were your own customer, what would making it right look like to you? Offering a small gift, such as a gift card or discount, at that time may increase the chance they overlook the disappointment and place additional orders in the future. However, one word of note, I personally find it upsetting when brands give me an "I'm sorry" discount on my next order before my first order actually arrived. To me, this is disingenuous and does not come across as empathetic. This actually makes me less likely to return in the future. So you may be better off saving a blanket discount on a future order for the next step. All in all, don't feel the need to offer a discount or gift just because of the delay. You'll want to take this on a case-by-case basis by understanding the delay and the impact on the customer. Once everything gets straightened out, your final step is to follow up. Following up on delays is like a conversation. It goes both ways. You can follow up with the customer and invite them to follow up with you. As I already mentioned, in each message you send, make it easy for them by letting customers know how to contact your customer support team and re-emphasize your commitment to their satisfaction. After a customer receives an order, it's a good idea to follow up with them and make sure they're satisfied. Now, it may make sense to send this message between 2 and 5 days after the delivery. If a customer still has any concerns about their order, this will give them and you a chance to resolve the issue and make the customer happy. After all, happy customers equal 5-star reviews, social media love, and a happy bottom line. And that's a good thing. When it comes to shipping delays, they happen, and customers know it. But when handled in the right way, most people are accepting of it. It's imperative brands handle communicating delays proactively and with transparency. Today, I showed you how to successfully craft a proper, transparent, and empathetic shipping delay email that consumers won't get angry with. By following the steps I laid out, you can keep your customers happy when the inevitable does happen. When it comes to effective email marketing, especially when communicating delays, you need to have the right tools in place. That's where Omnisend comes in. Anyone can sign up and use Omnisend for free, but if you're interested in one of our premium plans, we've got you covered. Now, remember that 10% off deal I mentioned a minute ago? Just click the link in the description, enter the code found on YouTube at checkout, and you're all set. While we're speaking about shipping, did you know shoppers value the speed of shipping nearly as much as free shipping? If you want to learn how to use this knowledge inside of your email marketing to increase your sales, be sure to check out this video on how to use e-commerce shipping policies to increase sales. Now don't delay. See what I did there? Until next time, happy marketing.